Hey everyone, I'm Tommy, the delivery captain for the Seattle Boat Company, and behind me is Malibu's 2024 26 LSV. Let's go take a tour of this boat together and check out all of its cool features and options. With pull-out cleats on both sides of the boat, makes it super easy to tie up when you're on the dock. The G10 Plus tower, all new for 2024, gives you a little bit different styling, but the same functionality of being able to power fold down and also up, making it really convenient if you've got to get into a boathouse or garage. Fueling up the boat is really easy as well. You can fill it up on either side of the boat, which is really cool. And behind the boat, this is where everything comes together with Malibu's surf system. Surfgate creates waves on either side of the boat. The Power 3 wedge underneath helps instantly change the wave depending upon if your rider is experienced, just starting out, or somewhere in between. This particular boat, LT4 power. What does that mean? It's 600 plus horsepower, enough for full ballast, all your friends, and still have awesome performance when you're out on the lake. So when you're ready to get out of the water and back into the boat, flip down the swim step. Gives you super easy access and not having to push yourself up or try and jump onto the swim platform. It's also a great seat, so you can just sit and hang out in the water. Now when you're ready to pull the boat on and off the trailer or into your slip, stern turn, which is a great option, gives you a little bit better maneuverability at slow speeds. You can hit a button on the throttle to put the boat to the port side, and then hit it the other direction to go starboard. So back here at the transom of the boat, you've got this really great pull-up ski pylon. Great storage in the back lockers as well. This is also where you can get your supplemental plug-and-play fat sacks back here as well for additional ballast. Like I said, in this particular model, LT4 power, so 600 plus horsepower, awesome power plant, gets you right up and out of the water. Cruising at lower RPMs means less noise and a better experience out on the water for everybody. Flip down entry exit steps, option in this particular boat. What this does is it gives you a place to actually step when you're getting into the boat rather than stepping on your cushion. Tons of cup holders and storage, and you also have USB and 12-volt charging throughout the boat as well. On the port side over here, I do have this nice reclining seat, so this one can actually be adjusted to multiple positions depending upon how you want to sit and face rearward. A great thing about the 26 LSV, this storage area on the port side, but it also gives you two seating positions back here. So you actually have a rearward facing seat and a forward facing seat. And you can also adjust your backrest. So you can lift this guy up to actually give you a little bit more back support if needed. And then there's just a little handle you'll pull up to let it go back down. The G10 Plus tower operates very, very similarly to the previous generation G10 tower. To raise and lower the tower, if your battery switch is on, you can simply just come here to the up and down knob, rotate and hold in the down position, and that'll allow the tower to fold down. To go up, same thing, rotate the little knob, press and hold, rotate and hold to up, and that'll allow the tower to come up. Great new racks as well, swivel and rotate inward, and these are also the ratcheting clamps. Ratchet them down to secure your board, and then you just pull the little handle, and that will release it so you can take your board out. So here at the command center, super easy to modify your rider settings, get information from the screen like how fast you're going, changing your cruise control, and also on the left-hand screen being able to adjust your audio and your lights. The helm seat is also super comfortable. I can flip up the bolster. I have handles over here to slide the seat fore and aft, and then the optional swivel feature allows me to swivel the seat to be able to join the conversation in the rest of the cockpit. This little door opens and gives you access to the battery switch, so you don't have to ask anybody to get up off their seat to turn on or off the batteries. Up here in the bow, the center seat cushion can remove, and it actually is a walk-through all the way forward. And I've got storage underneath all of this front seat cushions, as well as the backrest area. Right behind me, just a little cubby over here. But on the port side, you've got the ability to lift that open, and that's a pass-through into the observer storage area. As we checked out on the 26 LSV today, it's got a lot of cool features and amenities to make your time out on the water more enjoyable. Well, from all of us here at Seattle Boat Company, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the water.